Hello everyone, my name is Geethika. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in VVIT. I'm from CSE, my roll number is 522. In this session, I'm going to discuss about map interface and hash map. Let us see the topics. The topics are introduction about map interface, methods in map interface, characteristics of map interface, introduction to hash map, data retrieval methods from hash map. Let us see the first one, introduction about map interface. Map interface. Maps are perfect to use for key value association mapping, such as dictionaries. The maps are used to perform lookups by keys or when someone wants to retrieve and update the elements by its keys. Means specifically the values contain some keys instead of index values. Some common scenarios as follows. A map of error codes and their descriptions, a map of zip codes and cities, a map of managers and employees. Each manager is a key and it is associated with the list of employees with values. A map of classes and students. Here, each class can be considered as key and the students can be considered as values. Now let us see. Characteristics of map interface. Before that, uh, let me, yes, characteristics of map interface. Before that, there is a syntax in map interface, that is key and colon its value. Now let us see characteristics. A map cannot contain duplicate keys and each key can map to at most one value. So there won't be any duplicate key will be allowed. Values may contain duplicates, but keys do not be duplicate. Some implementations allow null key and null values like the hash map and linked hash map, but some do not like the tree map. The order of a map depends on the specific implementations. There are two interfaces for implementing map in Java. They are map and sorted map, and three classes: hash map, tree map, linked hash map. Today, we'll discuss about hash map. First, before that, see the methods in map interface which will be useful for us. These are the some commonly used methods. Clear means this method is used to clear and remove all the elements or mappings from a specified map collection. Contains key means contains key of object means it will check whether the object is in the given map or considered map. Here also the same. The description is this method is used to check whether a particular key is being mapped into the map or not. It takes the key element as a parameter and returns true if that element is mapped in the map. Now contains value of object means this is also same as like keys. It will check for the object will be present in values or not. This method is used to check whether a particular value is being mapped by a single or more than one key in the map. It takes the value as a parameter and returns true if the value is mapped by any of the key in the map. Uh, Remove of object. Here, this method is used to remove the mapping for a key from this map if it is present in the map. If it is present in the map, it will remove, means instead we can say delete. It will delete the value or else it will delete the key or else it falls. Size. This method is used to return the number of key or value pairs available in the map. Values. This method is used to create a collection out of values of the map. It basically returns a collection view of the values in the hash map. Now let us see. Coming to hash map. Arrays store items in an ordered collection and you have to access them with the index number, right? But in this hash map or map, we'll store the items in key value pairs. We will access the values by using its keys. Here keys should be unique. It cannot be duplicate. One object is used as key to another object value. It can store different types, string keys, integer values, or same type like string keys, string values, whatever it may be. Now let us see methods. The HashMap class has many useful methods. For example, to add items to it, use the put method. For every other classes or in collection classes, we'll use add. Here we'll use put method. Put k comma v means it will give key value as well as value, and it will append this to the given hash map. Access an item. To access a value in the hash map, use the get method. Refer to its keys. Means if you write get of the key value, key name, then we will get the value corresponding to that key. Remove an item. To remove an item, use the remove method and refer the key. To remove all items, we can use clear method. Now, let us see. Add elements. First, here we have been seen the we have seen how to add elements, right? We have to we have to use the put method, and then we have to print the hash map. Let us see for add elements. We'll import the java.util.star. Here all the collection classes and the collection interface is in the util package, util.package. Here we have taken map string and string, means the key values will be string and the values will be string. And we created a new hash map object. We put some two values, two items, means two key value pairs. Now let us see output for this, for adding. We'll get 2 because we mentioned their size, right? So 2, there contains 2 items, and we'll get curly braces, sweet equal to sweetie and cute equal to honey. Like this we'll get by adding elements into the hash map. Now let us see accessing. Import java.util.star. Public class accessing. Public static void mean this is common for all the classes, all the programs. Now create an hash map object and put some values into it. Now print by using get method, means get of 3. Here we will get the output as Arjun, and get of 2. Here we will get the output as Gnani. Let us see this. Like this, Arjun and Gnani. And then removing. Here we'll use the remove method, and if you want to remove only one item, you will use the remove method. If you want to remove more than one items, or we have to clear all the objects in the map, then we will use clear method. Here we'll use Java removing program, and we will get elements are, we'll get null set, means we have used first the clear method, right? Before that we use remove of one, means we'll get Gnani and Arjun as outputs. We don't get Geethika. And here in clear we will get empty set, empty hash map. And the next one, loop through a hash map. Loop through the items of a hash map with a for each loop. Or we use the key set method if you only want the keys, and we use the values if you only want the values. Let us see its uses. Here, the example with loop. Here we created an HashMap object and we have kept some values into HashMap. After that, for int I list.keyset. Here in list.keyset, we'll get all the keys in a set. We'll get a set with all the keys. If you try to print each item in it, then we will get keys one by one. And the next one, for string I list dot values. In this list dot values, we will get a set contains all the values in the map. Here, if you try to print the I values, then you will get all the values. Let us see its uses. Here like this. First we'll get 1, 2, 3, and the next line Geethika, Gnani, Arjun. Like this we will get the output. Thank you.